now because they're freaking out. They're like, oh, now she's taking over our food bowl. Don't put it on your head. Poor gal.
Oh, so now she's sharing.
Gab's thinking, oh my god, I'm not going to get my full share. He doesn't think he's going to get all his food. Not it for cleaning it up. I'm sure the dog will. Don't put it on your head, baby. Thank you.
Go girl, Addie.
Yeah, this will make you thinner. You have to fend for yourself. You have to get your food, and you have to kind of...
Inside voice.
Watch her hit one of them on the head with it. Inside voice, please. Inside voice.